A day after two foreign coaches were bitten by stray dogs in the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in the national capital, both coaches, they have been treated and efforts are currently underway to remove the stray dogs from the area. Now, this entire incident, it has left the organizers of the World Para-Athletics Championships embarrassed, and it is quite a blot for the national capital as well. Now, the Kenyan coach, Dennis Marajia, he was speaking to one of his athletes outside the competition area of the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium when a stray dog suddenly came and bit him. In fact, 3 people, the 2 coaches and 1 guard, was bitten by dogs in the matter of an hour. Now, the BJP leader, Mr. Vijay Goyal, he has once again demanded authorities to take action on the stray dog issue. Recently, remember, a Supreme Court ruling had said that aggressive dogs must be removed by the MCAD. In fact, listen in to what the Kenyan coach, Dennis Marajia, had to say.
I'm feeling pain on my leg, and then I'm feeling some headache. So I don't know why, because I've never felt that. I've been taking water since morning because I thought it's dehydration, but still I have a headache. Yeah, you know when you see dogs, they are not like, I thought they are friendly, but I came to realize they are not friendly. So you have to fear, because already I have that fear. Yeah, the Japanese coach, when I went to hospital, that's when I saw her there. I didn't know what happened. When I asked her, that's when she told me she was bitten by a dog. Yeah.
हमारे देश के अंदर आवारा कुत्ते इतने ज़्यादा हो चुके हैं और सड़कों के ऊपर हैं कि आज ये 2 अधिकारियों को काटा है, तो इसका विश्व भर में मैसेज अच्छा नहीं जा रहा है। और मैं समझता हूँ कि ये इसलिए हुआ है कि क्योंकि स्टेडियम्स में डॉग्स को फीडिंग कराई जाती है, जबकि अभी कोर्ट का जो डायरेक्टिव आया था उसमें साफ तौर से कहा है सड़कों के ऊपर, सार्वजनिक जगहों के ऊपर, अपार्टमेंट्स के अंदर, सोसाइटी के अंदर किसी तरह की स्ट्रे डॉग्स को फीडिंग नहीं कराई जा सकती जी। पर कुछ लोग जो डॉग फीडर्स हैं उन्होंने ऐसा माहौल बना रखा है जिसके कारण आवारा कुत्तों पे अंकुश नहीं लग रहा जी।
All right, my colleague Gargi Ravna joins us on the broadcast to get us more on this. Gargi, there has already been a conversation around safety, stray dogs, etc. And this very incident, it is only going to add impetus to that conversation now.
That's right, Osama. Not just a conversation, I'd say there's been a raging controversy over the stray dog issue in the national capital. We do know in August, we had 2 Supreme Court judgments. One was very radical, which asked for all the stray dogs to be removed. It was also impractical. The second judgment did say that dogs must be sterilized and they should be put back in the areas, but that aggressive dogs must be removed from neighborhoods, any dogs that are attacking people. Now, this incident that's taken place at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium is hugely embarrassing. Imagine foreign coaches are here. It's a para event. So you have all sorts of athletes also there training in the morning. It was the morning time when this took place, and it was 3 people who were bitten, 2 foreign coaches, one from Japan, Kenya, and also 1 guard was bitten. Now, it's also being reported that earlier as well there were some incidents of dog bites, but they were hushed up. Organizers are now claiming that they actually had all the dogs removed from the area, that they had spoken to the municipality and the MCD had come in and removed dogs. And now there's this blame game, because once again it's being said that there were people who feed dogs in those areas, and that is why these dogs continue to return to these particular parts of the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, and that is what led to this. But all in all, a hugely embarrassing incident, and once again putting the focus on this issue, because dog bites are continuing in the national capital every other day. There are reports of people getting bitten by dogs, especially in the Mohalla areas. But this, you heard what the Kenyan coach had to say, how taken aback he was, how he likes dogs, but now he's realized that at least here, indicating India or in Delhi, that one needs to fear them and, worry about it. And a Japanese coach as well was bitten. So these are not the kind of headlines that, make any of us proud, or, a national country would like to see coming out of their national capital. It's a sporting event, and now the focus is over this controversy in which 2 foreign coaches were bitten by stray dogs.